If you want to turn a photo into anime in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to apply the anime style effect to your picture using CapCut PC, and I'll also point out an important limitation so you know what to expect before you export. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your computer and start by clicking Create Project. This opens a new editing workspace where you can begin building your video or image edit. Once the project is ready, look for the import button and bring in the photo you want to convert into anime. You can also drag and drop the image directly into the media area if that feels faster. After the photo appears in your media pool, drag it down onto the timeline so it becomes the active clip you'll edit. Now that your photo is on the timeline, click on the clip to make sure it's selected. This is important because CapCut only applies effects to the item you've highlighted. Once it's selected, move your attention to the top right configuration panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of its visual adjustment tools and AI effects. From here, go to the Video tab and then open the AI Stylize sub-tab. This section is designed for stylized transformations, including painterly and animated looks. Under the Style section, you should see a range of AI-powered effects. Find AI Painting and click it. After that, select Anime. CapCut will begin processing the image and applying the anime-style look to your photo. Depending on the image, this may take a few moments, so let it finish before making any judgment. Once the effect is applied, take a close look at the preview and check how the face, clothing, background, and edges were processed. And here's something important to know. This feature can create artifacts, and it is not always a perfect transformation. That means some photos may look amazing, while others may show strange details, distorted edges, or imperfect facial features. For the best result, try using a clear photo with good lighting, a centered subject, and a simple background. Portrait-style images usually work better than busy group shots or low-resolution pictures. If the result looks good, you can continue by making small adjustments if needed, then save your project. When you're ready to finish, export the file so you can share it or upload it wherever you want. If the image does not look quite right, try another photo and test again, because different images can produce very different results with AI Stylize. So that's how to make your photo into anime in CapCut. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and can give you a fun stylized look with just a few clicks. If you found this useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.